Hey everybody, Dutch Sense here. It is 12:45 a.m. Central Time on Saturday, October 15th, 2011. And there are a few things occurring down to the south in Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, and Mississippi, right up through Tennessee and North Carolina that I'd like to show you. So let's just zoom in. We're looking at IntelliCast here, Continental US View radar, and you can clearly see a few flash radar rings, what I call HAARP rings, appearing out of Florida from Tallahassee, north into Georgia, and then south of Charleston, South Carolina. And I'll go ahead and pause it. There we go. And zoom in. And you can actually see that it's a double concentric HAARP ring, or radar ring, and it's forming a Vessia Pisces shape. So you have one ring intersecting each other basically at their center point. And that's encased inside of a larger ring which has a very defined edge that's going far out to sea in a radius around the ground-based station which these are coming from. So what I've done is I've gone over and pulled several different views, and what's occurring is a massive spike in frequency that you can see here to the south. There's no actual rain occurring down here. This is all just showing on radar only. So this is, of course, weather.gov, and of course their NexRad view. Okay, and let's go over and look at College of DuPage. You can again see it on College of DuPage, this large area down here that's showing high reflectivity. Okay, and I also have it, let's see, on AccuWeather here, and that's going to show it much better. You see this area down here to the southeast. You see a few of them flash on and off. You actually have a few going out in Texas. What I believe we're seeing is high frequency RF heating, in other words microwaving of the atmosphere. And this creates a pocket of high pressure or a pocket of hot air. And when you see this, it usually is an indicator that severe weather will be following within 1, 2, possibly 3 days. So we'll have to keep an eye on this area now. We saw a massive outbreak of these type of rings throughout the Midwest about 2 days ago now. So I was expecting within, well, now, basically into tomorrow, severe weather to outbreak in the central Midwest. So basically South Dakota, Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas. Now there's nothing there now. I don't know what this means other than the event that we were seeing occur 2 days ago is now occurring to the southeast at only specific stations. Even though there's other radar stations in these areas, only certain ones are experiencing this heavy frequency ring outbreak. So I'm going to zoom it in. There we go. Okay, and we'll let these panels load so we can get a fresh shot of it. And what you'll see, of course, is out of Tallahassee over to Jacksonville, up through central Georgia, and right up into South Carolina, North Carolina. As far over as Huntsville, Alabama, as far north as Knoxville, Tennessee. So encompassing this whole area. We also see one south of Miami down near Homestead, Florida. I do not see one coming out of Key West. Okay, so hang in there, folks. Much love. If you see any others, let me know or put a comment down below.